Did you know certain fruits help you lose weight? Most people assume that all fruits is the same in terms of being healthy, but there are certain fruits that are high in fiber and pectin, both natural fat burners that can help boost your metabolism. In this video, I am going to share with you the fruits that are better for your health and for attaining your weight loss goals. Apples are one of the best fruit to help you lose weight. Eat an apple daily because it is a superfruit, high in fiber and low in calories. Watermelon is your go-to fruit for weight loss. It's high in water content, 90%, and a 100 gram serving just contains only 30 calories. The best thing about watermelon is that not only does it keep you hydrated, but it will also keep you satisfied for a long time, which will lead to less unhealthy snacking. A banana packs of 105 calories per piece. The average banana is an excellent source of instant energy and perfect post-workout snacks. There are also healthier than packaged post-workout snacks, like energy bars, which are just calculate bars, masculating are healthier options. Bananas also help beat muscle cramps, keep your BP in check, they prevent acidity and even beats constipation. Pears are super weight loss fruits that pack plenty of fiber. In fact, most fruits pale in comparison to the amount of fiber that a pear provides. The high fiber content helps to feel full, which aids weight loss. Pears are also a cholesterol-lowering and heart-healthy fruit due to its potassium content. Although mangoes do contain a little more sugar than other fruits listed, they are great for your health when eaten in moderation. They contain about 130 calories, 3 grams of dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, and calcium. Therefore, incorporating this fruit into your diet will have its perks for your journey to a better and slimmer you. Many studies confirm that grapefruits is an excellent food for weight loss. In one study at Johns Hopkins University, women who eat grapefruits daily shed almost 20 pounds on average in only 13 weeks without changing anything else in their diet or lifestyle. Strawberries can stimulate production of hormones which will speed up your metabolism and help you burn calories. Strawberries can be a perfect part of every weight loss diet as it contains vitamin A, B, C, and D. Not only do oranges taste great, but a log of this fruit only contains 47 calories, which is great for someone looking for a snack while trying to follow a strict diet. There are also sweets which will help take care of craving. Every dieter has for something sweet. Not only will these fruits help weight loss, but they have plenty of other health benefits also. If you want to eat all these superfruits, you can combine a little of each in your own fruit salad. And if you are seriously looking for weight loss solution, please visit to my channel and like this video and subscribe it and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.